how much should you actually spend on a string trimmer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Keiko Replacement Spool for Greenworks Weed Eater String. Priced at just $12.99, it caught my eye because it offers 10 spools and 2 caps. If you want hassle-free trimming without the constant annoyance of running out of line, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This spool has a 0.065-inch line, which is sturdy enough to handle tough weeds. It's pre-wound with 16 feet of durable nylon, so you can just pop it in and get to work. Users appreciate that it's compatible with multiple Greenworks models, ensuring that it fits right in your toolkit. Plus, with over 2,000 buyers in the past month, it shows that it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the line being a bit too thin for heavy-duty use. Here's the thing though, if you're just maintaining your yard and not tackling a jungle, this spool will serve you well without the hassle of winding your own line. This is perfect for you if you want quick replacements for your trimmer without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something for more intense landscaping tasks. For $12.99, you're getting solid value. Now, if the Keiko spool being thin bothered you, the next one on my list has a thicker line that might just do the trick. Product number 2, Eventronic Trimmer String Spool. Next, we've got the Eventronic Trimmer String Spool, which is priced at $8.99. I was drawn to it because it's a budget-friendly option, with 6 spools and 2 caps included. If you're looking for an economical way to keep your trimmer running smoothly, this is worth considering. What stands out about this product is its upgraded nylon material, boasting a tensile strength of over 110 pounds. It's designed to cushion against impact and improve cutting efficiency by 50%. So if you've got a yard full of stubborn grass, this could make your life a lot easier. Plus, it's compatible with several Greenworks models, so you'll want to double-check that yours is on the list. With a recent surge in sales over 1,000 units, people are clearly opting for this. However, some users mentioned that the spool sometimes runs out quicker than expected. Here's my take. If you're doing light trimming and maintenance, this spool will meet your needs just fine. But if you're tackling larger areas, you might find yourself changing it out more often than you'd like. This is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective solution for regular yard care. Skip this one if you're seeking something for heavy-duty jobs. At $8.99, it's a steal for the average homeowner. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a more powerful tool.
Product number 3, Greenworks 40V 12-inch trimmer priced at $89.99. What grabbed my attention is that it's designed for those who want a lightweight option without sacrificing power. If you want to tackle tough grass without feeling weighed down, this is worth a serious look. This trimmer has a cutting path of 12 inches, which means you can cover ground faster, while the auto feed head makes line advancement super easy. Plus, the variable speed trigger allows you to control your cutting speed on the fly, which is perfect for maneuvering around delicate plants. The battery lasts about 60 minutes, so you can get a good chunk of work done before needing a recharge. It's no wonder over 300 units have been bought recently. People seem to love it. That said, some users noted that it doesn't come with a battery or charger. Here's the thing though, if you already own other Greenworks tools, you might have those on hand already, making this a great bare tool option. It's just something to be aware of if you're a first-time buyer. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight trimmer that offers good maneuverability. Skip this one if you need a full kit right out of the box. For $89.99, it's a solid choice for the average homeowner. Now, if the absence of a battery frustrated you, the next product includes everything you need to get started right away.
Product number 4, Greenworks 80V 16-inch trimmer. Next up, we have the Greenworks 80V 16-inch brushless cordless string trimmer. This one's priced at $147.48 and caught my eye due to its powerful performance. If you're tackling larger properties or tougher vegetation, this is worth considering. With a 16-inch cutting path and a 0.080-inch dual line, this trimmer covers more ground and provides cleaner cuts with each pass. The high-efficiency brushless motor delivers more torque and quieter operation, which is a big deal if you're sensitive to noise while working in your yard.
The variable speed trigger lets you adjust the cutting speed, making it versatile enough for different areas of your yard. Plus, it comes with a 4-year warranty, which is reassuring for a tool at this price point, especially since over 300 have been sold in the past month. However, some reviews pointed out that it's a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing, if you're used to lightweight models and have a lot of trimming to do, you might notice that weight. But for those who need that extra power, it's a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you have a large yard or more demanding trimming needs. Skip it if you prefer something lightweight for occasional use. At $147.48, it's a solid investment for serious gardeners. Now, if the weight concerns you, the last product on our list is all about efficiency and ease.
Product number 5, Greenworks 40V 24-inch hedge trimmer. Finally, we have the Greenworks 40V 24-inch cordless hedge trimmer, priced at $129.99. This one stood out because it offers a great blend of power and user-friendliness. If you want to trim hedges and bushes without the hassle of cords, this is worth a serious look. This trimmer features a 24-inch steel blade that can handle cutting branches up to 1 inch thick, which is impressive for a battery-operated model. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 60 minutes of runtime, ensuring you can get your hedges in shape without interruptions. The rotating rear handle is a nice touch, making it easier to cut at different angles without straining your wrists. Given its features, it's no surprise that over 1,000 units have been sold recently. However, some users mentioned that it could struggle with thicker branches. Here's the thing, if you're just doing basic trimming and maintenance, you won't have any issues. But if you're planning to tackle larger bushes, you might want to keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable hedge trimmer that's easy to handle. Skip it if you need to cut through thick branches regularly. At $129.99, it balances quality and affordability well.
So, to wrap it all up, we've covered the Kako replacement spool, the Eventronic trimmer string spool, the Greenworks 40V 12-inch trimmer, the Greenworks 80V 16-inch trimmer, and the Greenworks 40V 24-inch hedge trimmer. Each has its strengths, whether you're looking for budget options, lightweight designs, or powerful performance. Choose one based on your specific needs, and happy trimming.